What makes the Filipino spirit so strong? What is it that allows us to rise above every challenge, no matter how difficult? We see it every day, in the smile of a farmer after a long day, whose hands may be tired but whose heart remains full of hope. In the laughter of children playing in the streets, their joy echoing through neighborhoods, reminding us of innocence and possibility. Our country has faced typhoons, earthquakes, and historical struggles that have tested us time and again. Yet, through it all, we stand tall and find hope for tomorrow, refusing to let adversity define us. This resilience is woven into our culture, passed down from our ancestors, and kept alive by every generation. When disaster strikes, neighbors help each other clear debris, strangers share food, and communities unite in the face of hardship. This collective strength is our greatest treasure, a force that binds us together in both good times and bad. Foreigners often marvel at our ability to find joy in simple things, like a shared meal, a song, or a moment of laughter. And still, we remain optimistic against all odds, always believing that better days are ahead. The answer lies in our deep connections, faith, family, and community, which give us strength and purpose. Our resilience is not just about surviving, it's about thriving and helping each other dance in the rain, no matter how heavy the storm. This is the essence of being Filipino, a spirit that never gives up and always finds a reason to be proud. As we explore Filipino resilience, we'll uncover the traditions and values that shape us, from our vibrant festivals to our everyday acts of kindness. We'll see how customs like Bayanihan, helping one another without expecting anything in return, continue to influence our lives. We'll understand why family is the unbreakable core of our society, the foundation upon which we build our dreams. This is not just a story of hardship, but a celebration of the human spirit's ability to overcome, to rise, and to inspire. It's a tribute to the quiet heroes in every barangay, in every home, whose courage often goes unnoticed. Every day they show us what it means to be truly and proudly Filipino, reminding us of our shared identity. Let's discover the heart of Filipino resilience together and celebrate the unbreakable spirit that lives within us all. Bayanihan is more than a word. It's a way of life, woven into the very fabric of Filipino culture. It comes from bayan, meaning community, and represents being a hero for others, not just in grand gestures, but in everyday moments. The iconic image, neighbors carrying a nipa hut together, symbolizes unity, selfless cooperation, and the belief that no one should face challenges alone. Today, Bayanihan is alive in new forms, adapting to the needs of modern life while keeping its spirit intact. After typhoons and disasters, Filipinos from all walks of life organize donation drives, volunteer for relief efforts, and reach out to those in need. They don't wait for instructions. They simply help, moved by empathy and a sense of shared responsibility. Bayanihan now means carrying each other's burdens, not just houses, but also emotional and personal struggles. We see it in daily acts, cleaning streams, repairing chapels, pooling money for families in need, or simply lending a hand to a neighbor. During the pandemic, community pantries let people give what they could and take what they needed, showing that generosity thrives even in hard times. These quiet acts of kindness show Bayanihan is a daily practice, not just for disasters, but for every moment we choose to care. It binds us, teaching that your neighbor's struggle is your own, and that together we are stronger. Bayanihan reminds us we're never alone. There's always a helping hand, ready to lift us up. It's a cultural promise. No matter how heavy the burden, we carry it together, side by side. This spirit is the heartbeat of the Filipino community, pulsing through every celebration and every challenge. It's a rhythm of compassion and unity that has endured for centuries, passed down from elders to children. Bayanihan is the strength that keeps our communities alive, resilient, and hopeful for the future. It's what makes us truly Filipino, a spirit of unity, compassion, and unwavering support for one another. To truly understand Bayanihan, we must listen to the voices of those who live and breathe it every day. Manong Edgar, a barangay captain in Bicol, recalls how young men in his village rushed to help the elderly secure their homes before a typhoon. No one needed to be asked, they simply acted out of care and responsibility. That's Bayanihan, looking after the vulnerable instinctively and wholeheartedly, as if they were family. In moments of crisis, ordinary people become heroes, stepping up for their neighbors and friends. Ailing Nena, a store owner in Manila, cooked lugaw for neighbors who lost jobs during lockdowns, offering comfort and warmth when it was needed most. Soon, others added bread and coffee. Her small table became a symbol of hope and generosity, growing with every contribution. The youth are carrying Bayanihan forward too, finding new ways to help and inspire. University students in Mindanao launched online fundraisers after an earthquake, using social media to mobilize donations, spread awareness, and rally support from across the country. Even students with little to give contributed what they could, proving that Bayanihan adapts and thrives in the digital age. These stories of proactive leaders, generous neighbors, and digital activists paint a clear and inspiring picture of our collective strength. Bayanihan is alive in every generation, in every form, passed down and reimagined by young and old alike. When Filipinos see someone in need, the question isn't "what can I do?" but "how can we help together, as one community?" It's a collective spirit of compassion and unity that binds us, no matter where we are. Bayanihan is not just tradition, it's a living force in our society, shaping how we respond to every challenge. It's the reason we rise together, no matter the challenge, and why we never leave anyone behind. Every act, big or small, keeps the spirit alive and reminds us of our shared humanity. This is the enduring power of community, woven into the fabric of Filipino life. This is the Filipino way, resilient, generous, and always united. Bayanihan lives in all of us, lighting the path forward for generations to come. In the Philippines, strength begins with the family. The Filipino family is a fortress, our first line of defense against hardship. Multi-generational households mean no one faces problems alone. Respect for elders and a cycle of care create a powerful safety net. When someone struggles, the whole family mobilizes to help. Family extends beyond blood. Godparents, neighbors, and friends are embraced as kin. This vast support system ensures everyone belongs and is cared for. In crises, family is the first responder, offering shelter, food, and comfort before any aid arrives. This unwavering support builds resilience and stability. The Filipino family is the heart of our national strength. It's where our enduring spirit begins. Pamilya Muna, family first, is a guiding principle in Filipino life. The family's welfare comes before individual desires, seen not as sacrifice but as joyful responsibility. Older siblings often delay their own dreams to support younger ones. This collective mindset ensures the family prospers together. Emotional support is constant. Setbacks are met with empathy, not judgment. The home is a safe haven, building confidence and resilience from a young age. Financially, resources are pooled, creating a shared economy that buffers against hardship. If one member falters, others step in. This is Bayanihan within the home, a practical everyday support system. The family's unwavering support gives Filipinos courage to face adversity. Pamilya Muna is the promise of a safe harbor in any storm. Millions of Filipinos work abroad as OFWs, modern-day heroes who sacrifice for their families. Despite distance and longing, family bonds remain strong. Technology bridges the gap. Video calls and messages keep families connected. OFWs watch birthdays, help with homework, and share daily life from afar. Their remittances are a lifeline, funding education, homes, and dreams. But it's more than money. It's love and commitment across continents. Both OFWs and families at home learn resilience, independence, and appreciation for time together. Reunions are precious, reinforcing bonds maintained across miles. The OFW story is a testament to the Filipino family's ability to adapt and love unconditionally. No matter the distance, the Filipino family endures. Sacrifice and love keep us connected. This is the strength of our people. Our elders, Lolos and Lolas, are treasured as keepers of wisdom and culture. Their stories teach resilience, recalling times of hardship and survival. Everyday moments, cooking, repairing, sharing, pass on life skills and values. They teach patience, gratitude, and faith, modeling quiet strength. Gratitude, or pasasalamat, is a powerful tool for resilience. By keeping elders at the center, we ensure the torch of resilience is passed down. The youth learn they are part of a long line of survivors. This connection to the past gives them identity and pride. The wisdom of our elders anchors the Filipino family. Their lessons light the way for generations to come. Pagbangon, to rise, captures the Filipino spirit of recovery. After crisis, rebuilding is a collective effort rooted in Bayanihan and family support. When disaster strikes, the instinct is to help, rescuing, sharing aid, comforting others. Community leaders organize relief, becoming pillars of strength. Emotional recovery is vital. Prayer, laughter, and music help heal. Even in evacuation centers, hope and humor persist. This is not denial, but a choice to embrace hope over despair. Shared struggle forges unbreakable bonds. Neighbors become family. Communities emerge stronger, with a deeper appreciation for one another. Pagbangan teaches us, we may fall as individuals, but we rise as one. This is the ultimate lesson of Filipino resilience. Together we overcome, together we rise. Filipino resilience is a tapestry woven from Bayanihan Pamilya Muna elders' wisdom and pagbangon. These threads create our incredible strength. This legacy is always evolving. Today's youth use social media to organize relief and support, proving Bayanihan crosses digital bridges. Online groups extend family care into virtual spaces. The lessons of our elders guide us through modern challenges. Our resilience is not just a memory, it's a living force for the future. As long as we look out for each other, honor our families, and help each other rise, our communities remain unbreakable. This is our promise and our legacy. When you see stories of disaster, look for the helpers, the families, the smiles that defy the storm. There you'll see the true face of the Filipino people. Our resilience is unshakable hope, boundless compassion, and a spirit that always rises together. This is who we are.